Hello students, let's start exercise 2.2. In this exercise, we will learn that how to solve given word problem. So, read first word problem. If you subtract 1 upon 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 upon 2, you get 1 upon 8. What is the number? In this problem, we assume a number x. Then we subtract 1 upon 2 from x. Then we multiply the result by 1 upon 2. Now we solve. Let the required number be x. Clear? By subtraction 1 upon 2 from x. When we subtract 1 upon 2 from x, we get x minus 1 upon 2. Then by multiplying x minus 1 upon 2 by 1 upon 2. Then when we multiply 1 upon 2 x minus 1 upon 2, we get 1 upon 2 x minus 1 upon 2. So, according to the question, 1 upon 2 x minus 1 upon 2, we multiply 1 upon 2 by x minus 1 upon 2, we get 1 upon 8. Now, we open the bracket, we multiply 1 upon 2 by x and 1 upon 2 by 1 upon 2. So, we write 1 upon 2 multiply x minus 1 upon 2 multiply 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 8. We write x upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 multiply 1 upon 2 1 upon 4. So, we write 1 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 8. Look at here. X upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 4. Here we use transposition method. When we shift 1 upon 4 to the right side, sign will be changed. Here, look at here. Sign of 1 upon 4 is minus, and when we shift 1 upon 4 to right side, sign will be plus. Next, x upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 4. LCM of 8 and 4 is 8. So, we multiply 1 upon 4 by 2. We get x upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 8 plus 2 upon 8 is equal to 1 plus 2 upon 8 is equal to 3 upon 8. We get x upon 2 is equal to 3 upon 8. X is equal to 3 multiply 2 upon 8. Look at here. Here we use transposition method. Here x upon 2, x divided by 2. And when we shifted 2 to right side, it multiply. So, we write x equal 3 upon 8 multiply 2. Here 2 is in divide and here 2 is in multiplication. Next, x equal, we cut 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So, we write x is equal to 3 multiply 1 upon 4 and we get 3 upon 4. Thus, the required number is 3 upon 4. Now, we will read second problem. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. What are the length and the breadth of the pool? Look at here. Here, according to the question, length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. In this problem, we assume the breadth of the pool is x and Twice means double. We multiply by 2. 2 meter more than means we add 2. More than means we add 2. Now we will solve. Let the breadth of the pool is x meter. The perimeter of the pool is 154 meter given in question. According to the question, length is equal to 2 breadth. Twice the breadth means 2 breadth plus 2. More than 2 means plus 2. Breadth is x, so we write 2x plus 2 meter. As you know that formula of perimeter of a rectangle is 2 length plus breadth. So we write 154 is equal to 2 length 2x plus 2 plus breadth x. Next 2x plus 2 plus x is equal to 154. We interchange both sides. Next 2x plus x 3x. So 3x plus 2 is equal to 154. Now open the bracket. 2 multiply 3x plus 2 multiply 2 is equal to 154. 6x, 2 3s are 6x plus 2 2s are 4. 4 is equal to 154. We write 6x is equal to 154 minus 4. We use transposition method. 6x is equal to 154 minus 4. We shift 4 to the right side. 6x is equal to 150. X is equal to 150 upon 6. We use transposition method and we shift 6 to right side. Is equal to 25. So we get the value of x as 25. So breadth will be 25 meter. Now we will find length. Length is equal to 2x plus 2. We put the value of x. X is 25. So we write 25 plus 2. We write 25 in bracket. 2 bracket 25 means 2 multiply 25. So we get 50 plus 2 is equal to 52. So the length is 52 meter. Thus the length of the pool is 52 meter and its breadth is 25 meter. Now we will read next problem. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4/3 centimeter. The perimeter of the triangle is 4 2/15 centimeter. What is the length of either of the remaining equal sides? So students, as you know that isosceles triangle has two sides equal. Here base of triangle is given. Base of an triangle is 4/3 and the perimeter of triangle is 4 2/15. As you know that the perimeter of triangle means sum of all sides. Let each of equal sides of an isosceles triangle be x centimeter. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4/3 centimeter given in questions. The perimeter of the triangle is 4 2/15 centimeter given in question. As you know that perimeter of a triangle is equal to sum of all three sides. So perimeter of a triangle is 4 2 upon 15 is equal to sum of all three sides means 4 upon 3 is base plus x one side plus x another side. Now it is mixed fraction. We change mixed fraction into simple fraction. So when we change mixed fraction into simple fraction, we get 62 upon 15. So we write 62 upon 15 is equal to 4 upon 3. X plus x is 2x. So we write 4 upon 3 plus 2x. Next, we interchange both sides. 4 upon 3 plus 2x is equal to 62 upon 15. We write 2x is equal to 62 upon 15 minus 4 upon 3. Look at here. Here we interchange both sides and we shift 4 upon 3 to the right side and sign will be changed. So we write 2x is equal to 62 upon 15 minus 4 upon 3. When we solve 2x is equal to 62 upon 15 minus 4 multiply 5 upon 3 multiply 5 because LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. So we multiply this fraction by 5. 2x is equal to 62 upon 15 minus 20 upon 15. 2x is equal to 62 minus 20 upon 15. Next, 2x is equal to 42 upon 15. X is equal to, here 2x means 2 multiply by x. We shift 2 to the right side. So we get x is equal to 42 upon 15 multiply 2 and we divide 42 by 2. We get 21. So we write 21 upon 15. X is equal to 21 upon 15. We divide this fraction by 3. Here we cut 21 by 3 and 15 by 3. We get 7 upon 5. Now 7 upon 5 in a improper fraction. So we change this fraction into mixed fraction. So we get x is equal to 1 2 upon 5. Thus each equal side of an isosceles triangle is 1 2 upon 5 centimeter. Now we read next sum. Sum of two numbers is 95. If one exceeds the other by 15, find the numbers. In this problem, we assume a number x. X means we add 15. Now we solve. Let the first number be x. Then another number be x plus 15. Because according to the question, one number exceeds to the other by 15. Sum of two numbers is 95 given in question. According to the question, sum of two numbers is 95. So we add two numbers. First number is x and second number is x plus 15 is equal to 95. X plus x 2x. So we write 2x plus 15 is equal to 95. We shift 15 to the right side. So we write 2x is equal to 95 minus 15. 2x is equal to 80. Now we shift 2 to the right side. So we write x is equal to 80 upon 2 is equal to 40. X is equal to 40. X is the first number. The first number is equal to 40 and another number is equal to x plus 15. X is 40, so we write 40 plus 15 is equal to 55. Thus 40 and 55 are the required numbers. Students, we will continue this exercise in next video. I suggest you that you must have to read this problem at least 2 times. Thank you.